I'm Jonathan, and welcome to this deep sleep hypnosis for healing. This hypnosis will allow you to tap into the connection between your mind and your body to enable communication that allows your body to heal and repair. Please only listen to or watch this if you are in an appropriate place. Make yourself as relaxed as possible, sitting in a chair or lying on your bed. Switch off any phones and dedicate this time to yourself. You deserve it. If you enjoy this content, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer you. Now just sit or lie comfortably, being aware of the weight of your body, of the contact of your body, and just observing how that feels. Just notice the weight of your body. And observe the sensation of the points of contact between your body and the chair or bed. With your hands by your side or on your lap, ideally with your hands not touching, bring your attention to the contact of your hands. Focus your attention on your hands, and as you do, you may become aware of your hands starting to feel heavy, pleasantly relaxed, and hard to move. The more you focus on your hands, the more relaxed, heavier, and harder to move they become, because the truth is that we get more of what we focus on. We get more of what we give attention to. Now just move your attention from your hands to your breath. Be aware of how your breath rises and falls naturally and rhythmically. With every breath that you inhale, you are filling your lungs with relaxing, cleansing oxygen. With every breath that you exhale, you're just releasing, relaxing, and letting go. If your eyes are already closed, just gently open them for a few moments and roll up your eyes. It's if you are trying to look up into your eyebrows or up to the ceiling. Feel that sensation of looking up. It might feel a bit strange or even a little uncomfortable, and that is natural, common, and normal. As you look up, you may feel your eyes wanting to blink or flutter. Now hold that gaze of looking up and take 3 steady breaths. Breathe in, and in your own time, release. Breathe in again, feeling your eyes wanting to blink or flutter, and release that breath. One more time now. Keep looking up as you breathe in, but as you exhale, keep looking up as you close your eyes. You will likely feel that blinking and fluttering in your eyes now. Relax your eyes as I count you down from 10 to 1. You are going down to a powerful, relaxing, healing place. As you go down from 10 to 9, you are relaxing and releasing. As you take 8 and 7, the nerves and muscles in your neck and shoulders are relaxing. Taking 6 and 5, now the nerves and muscles in your back are relaxing. Taking step 4, now you are going into a powerful, relaxing, reprogramming place. As you take 3 and 2, just let yourself drift, float and sink into this wonderful, relaxing, receptive place where your mind is easily accepting and absorbing every word that I tell you. On one now, you are perfectly relaxed, perfectly receptive, accepting every truth that I am telling you. And the truth is that your body has the most phenomenal natural ability to heal itself, to repair itself. When you cut yourself, your body heals and repairs itself. It knows exactly what to do. You don't need to think about it because your mind and body know exactly what to do. When you cut yourself, your mind automatically sends commands to those cells to repair, heal, and strengthen because your body is a network of intelligence based on millions of years of evolution. Every cell in your body, every organ, every system knows its role, its function, and how to interact with every other cell, system, and function in your body. Every cell has a memory. Your body has the most phenomenal, powerful healing ability. Even when you abuse your liver, it knows how to heal and repair itself. I want you now to think about the ailment or illness that you are looking to heal from. I want you to think about a time before you had this illness or ailment. As you think about this, I want you to remember how it felt when you took this function or ability for granted. Remember the things you did, the things you were able to do. As you remember, you are creating a picture for your mind, an instruction, because your mind responds to the inputs of pictures, words, and repetition. As you create this picture, this command for your mind, you are telling your mind that you want to go back to this level of function that you had before. You want to go back to this natural, normal state. Every cell in your body, every organ, every system has a memory. It remembers the way that you were designed because we have a blueprint where every cell, every organ, every system works together exactly as it was designed to do, and your body knows how to do this. You were born knowing how to do this. It is the most normal, natural thing. Right now, you are directing, instructing, commanding your mind to remember how this was before. You are instructing your mind to send the messages between your mind and body to heal, repair, and strengthen. It's simply instructing your mind to do what it needs to do, what it knows how to do. I want you to imagine now that enveloping your head is a ball of energy, a ball of healing energy, and that ball is full of bright, healing colors. Those colors are rotating around your head. Focus on those calming, healing colors and choose a color that you feel drawn to. As you focus on that color now, imagine that energy entering your mind, entering your body, and working its way down from the top of your head all the way down your body. That healing ball of energy is now working its way around the inside of your skull, gently moving around your brain, looking for the neural pathways that connect your brain with your body. where your mind and body send and receive messages. I want you to think of the issue, the ailment, or the illness that you are focused on, and picture the neural pathway that connects your mind to that part of your body or that system. I want you to imagine that healing ball of energy seeking out that neural pathway, sending, receiving, and exchanging messages between your mind and your body. It's checking that the neural pathway is clear, checking for any blockages, obstructions, or inflammation, ensuring that your mind and body are sending clear, concise, consistent messages, ensuring that there's nothing getting in the way of that connection. Now those neural pathways are clear. It's like a superhighway, and those neural pathways work their way down your body through your central nervous system, diving through your peripheral nervous system to the parts of your body that they need to reach. That ball of energy is looking for any imperfections, anything that doesn't work as it should. It's scanning through your body, going to the place where you want it to go. I want you to imagine that the energy is flowing down. That healing, warm energy is working its way down through your nervous system to where you want it to go. It's getting to that part or those parts of you that need attention, and it's checking that organ, that system, checking all the connections, looking for any imperfections, any variances from the blueprint that you were born with. It's like a little healing brush working its way down, releasing natural healing anti-inflammatories, because every part of your body is connected through these nerves, through these nerve endings, allowing blood, oxygen, and nutrients to flow where they need to flow, allowing messages to be exchanged. Right now, that healing energy is honing in, focusing on the areas that you want it to go to that need attention, and it's gently but thoroughly working around those areas, massaging them, removing any blockages, healing and repairing any nerve endings, reducing any inflammation, pushing out any blockages that are there. Your mind is now sending messages, doing what it's designed to do, instructing that part of you to heal, repair, and regenerate. Your body knows exactly what to do. Every time you listen to this recording, that healing ball of energy will work its way around your body on autopilot, healing, repairing, regenerating, because your mind and body know what to do. You have a design, a blueprint of how things should work, and your mind understands how to repair them. You are allowing, enabling, instructing, commanding, and demanding that your body heals itself. It's the easiest, most natural thing. Your mind and body have the most phenomenal healing power. You are choosing to get better, choosing to get stronger, choosing health. When you listen to this recording at night, you will fall into a wonderful, deep, healing sleep. And you will wake up in the morning feeling relaxed and energized. While you sleep, That healing ball of energy will focus on the areas you have guided it to, constantly working there, calming your mind, calming your nervous system, allowing your body to heal, repair, and perform the functions it was designed to do. If you're listening to this in the daytime, as I count you up from 1 to 5, you will gradually come back to full awareness. On the count of 1, just become aware of the contact of your body. On the count of 2, notice any sounds, noises, or movements around you. On the count of 3, feel the change that has taken place inside you. On the count of 4, open your eyes, and on the count of 5, coming back into the room, wide awake and looking forward to listening regularly to this audio daily.